Ever wondered how builders make sure walls are straight? Or how GPS apps calculate the shortest route? It's all thanks to one powerful idea in mathematics, Pythagoras Theorem. In just few minutes, you'll learn how it works and how to use it to solve real-life problems. What is Pythagoras Theorem? Pythagoras Theorem applies only to right-angled triangles, triangles that have one 90-degree angle. In these triangles, the longest side is called the hypotenuse, and the other two are called the legs. The theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Where a and b are the lengths of the legs, c is the length of the hypotenuse. Let's try a simple example. If one leg is 3 and the other is 4, we can find the hypotenuse using a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So, c squared equals 25. That means c equals square root 25 equals 5 units. Real-life application. Let's say a builder wants to check if a corner of a frame is a right angle. They measure one side at 6 feet, another at 8 feet. If the diagonal is exactly 10 feet, is the angle 90 degrees? Yes. Because 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared, it's a right-angled triangle. Now try this, a ladder is leaning against a wall. The base is 3 meters from the wall, and the ladder reaches 5 meters high. How long is the ladder? This time, the hypotenuse is the ladder. Let's use the formula, 3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 9 plus 25 is equal to 34. C equals square root 34 is almost equal to 5.83 meters. Reverse problem, finding a side. What if we know the hypotenuse and one leg? Example, c equals 13, b equals 5. Find a squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. A squared plus 25 is equal to 169. A squared equals 169, 25 is equal to 144. So, a equals square root 144 equals 12. Here's what we learned today, Pythagoras theorem works only in right triangles. Use a squared plus b squared equals c 9904 squared to find missing sides. It's used in construction, design, navigation, and more. Now it's your turn. Try solving a triangle near you, measure, calculate, and prove Pythagoras right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your answers below.